Welcome everyone to our Side Hustle workshop. Great pleasure to see so many young creators, innovators and future founders in this room.
My aim is that you should leave here with a launch plan.
A brand called Lipat Lipat. Lipat Lipat is fold. It's a reusable bag. It can hang on your maybe your pants or maybe on your bag.
AI helped me for grow my follower and then the idea of posting my Instagram or something.
For the prompt, I use ChatGPT.
The more you believe in your brand, the more you believe in yourself.
I have a product for diet people.
I want to make my own craft, so like properties, accessories for cosplayers. So I want to make that business, but I haven't started yet.
The part where they told us about the brand voice, it was a very valuable information.
I would love to join again this kind of hustles because it's very informative.
AI, it's not solely for replacing people because I think we want to get people more productive.